The Future of Intelligence, Part 4, Developing Intuition. Over the past 3 months or so, I've spoken with some amazing people talking about the future of artificial intelligence and human intelligence and how the development of technology is impacting and will impact the nature of work, the nature of society, and how we spend our time. In this 4th episode, we're going to be looking at how we can prepare our minds for an increasingly uncertain future. One option is to worry about the future and feel anxious and depressed. But that doesn't sound like too much fun. So how about instead we develop our own ability to think clearly, come up with creative solutions to problems, gain perspective, increase emotional intelligence, and be more optimistic. That's what happens when we develop our intuition. In this workshop, I'll be speaking with my good friend and fellow yoga monk, Dada Rainjitananda, about how the intuitional science of meditation and yoga can prepare us to enter the future full of hope, with vision and purpose. I look forward to seeing you there.